The Niger Delta Igbos were the catalyst of the mishap that has fallen on the Igbo people over a period of time. The main aim of the 1966 coup was not to install an Igbo man as the leader of Nigeria. If you read the works of Ben Bullier, or if you look at the works of Adewale Ademoyega, when he wrote the work or his book, Why We Struck, the ideology of the coup plotters was not to install Aguiyi Ironsi as the leader or the supreme leader of the country, but it was rather to install a man of who they saw as a man of a noble character in the person of Obafemi Awolowo.